What's going on YouTube? Guitstik Customs. Today I'm doing rotisserie chicken. I got two good sized chickens here. I had planned on putting both of them on the spit at the same time, but they're just a little bit too big, so I don't think I'm going to do that. I've got a little bit of a half a stick of butter in a saucepan with some garlic. I'm going to be using some of the green bastard spice, just a little bit for flavoring. That should be good. I want to do some ribs with it later. I'm also going to be slicing up an orange, a Granny Smith apple, and a lemon to stuff inside. Melt down a little bit more. This is going to be basted on the outside. Wait a minute. Push these chickens out of the way. First I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And a little pepper. Coat the inside good. Don't worry, I'll wash these containers off after I've finished with them. I'm also going to be adding some diced onion to the mix. Let's get these cut up. I'm only going to use half of these per chicken. Because I'm doing two chickens. After you get everything stuffed in the chicken, you want to tie it up. Now it's time to skewer the joker. And then the glaze on top. Come back to it in a couple hours. Oh, helps if I plug it in. Get it on the grill. There we go. Now I can do the bottom side. I might have to do some more of this. You can hear that motor is not very loud. Well, actually, not loud at all. Oh, doesn't that look gorgeous? It's been on since 1:45, and it's 1:45 right now. That's been on there for quite some time. and it just now getting up to 170. 163 on this side. Might be close enough. So I'm going to take this chicken off with the help of my lovely assistant and get this plated. See you in a minute. That looks good. Go on, get in there. Yep. Oh, that looks good. I should have let it rest. Oh, it tastes good. That is good. If you like this video, sorry about that, and you want to see more, let me know in the comments. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. Hit that little red subscribe button over there in the corner, maybe ring the bell, and check out these videos. I'll find something you like. I like that chicken, that's good.